In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your contact list from Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first step is to open Google Drive. Go ahead and open your web browser, then type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account where your contacts are stored. This is important because if you're logged into a different account, you won't be able to access the contacts you're looking for. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look at the top right corner. You should see a grid icon, often referred to as the Apps Launcher or waffle icon. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear showcasing a variety of Google applications that you can use. Next, you'll want to find the Contacts icon in that menu. It's usually represented by a blue circle and labeled simply Contacts. Depending on your screen size or resolution, you might need to scroll down a bit to see it. If the icon isn't jumping out at you, don't worry. There's a handy search bar within that menu, and you can type Contacts to find it a lot quicker. Now that you've found the Contacts icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Google Contacts page. Here, you'll have access to your entire contact list. You can view names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any notes you might have attached to those contacts. It's a really neat and organized way to access all your saved contacts in one place. As you navigate through your contacts, you'll notice that the layout is user-friendly. You can easily scroll through your list or use the search function to find a specific contact. If you're looking to add new contacts or update existing ones, you can typically do that directly from this page as well. Feel free to take a moment to explore the different features available. Google Contacts offers options for managing your contacts, such as grouping them, adding labels, or even deleting contacts that you no longer need. This can help keep everything organized and up to date. So, to recap, just to make sure you have everything down. First, open Google Drive by going to drive.google.com, ensuring you're signed into the correct account. Then, click on the Apps Launcher in the top right corner, find and select the Contacts icon from the drop-down menu, and you'll be taken to your contact list. This process is quick and straightforward, making it easy for you to manage your relationships efficiently. Whether you need access for work, personal use, or just to keep track of important connections, being able to see your contact list from Google Drive is incredibly handy. Remember, practicing this a few times will help reinforce the steps, and soon you'll be navigating your contacts like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore more of what Google Drive has to offer as well. Happy organizing!